So guys, first thing to do is to click on this Instagram icon showing here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your Instagram page. So just look down this part that has your profile picture, this part. So you just click on your profile picture right here, and then you're here. So after that, click on these three lines here. So you click on it. Yes, so it has taken you to this part. As you can see, settings and activities. You can see your account, how to use Instagram, saved, archive, your activity. You can see all of this here. So but where we are going to, because we are actually trying to monetize our Instagram account. In case you don't know what I'm doing, I'm trying to monetize my Instagram account and teach you guys how you can go ahead to monetize your Instagram account. So guys, just move down, move down, move down, move down. There's something I want to show you. So once you're done, okay, I think I passed. This is it for professionals. This is it. Account type and tools. This is where we are actually coming for. So just click on it. So once you click on account type and tool, it's going to take you here. Account type. So you have to switch to a professional account because before you can monetize, you need to have a professional account. So just click on this professional account. So guys, you can see get more tools for switch from. You can see access insights, run ads, get paid. As you can see, you guys can actually read all of this, but I don't really want to like read all of this, so we don't actually spend too much time talking about that. So after that, just click on this next over here. So once you're next, he said what best describes you. He's talking about what your Instagram is about. Like for you to be earning, you need to have something you're doing. Are you doing entertainment in your Instagram page? Are you doing comedy? Are you doing business? Are you doing how to make money? Are you doing different, like whatever you're doing, just choose what's best fits into your category. As you can see, musician, blogger, clothes branding, community, digital creator. So but let me just do digital creator for the purpose of this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to choose digital creator. You can choose education if you want to teach. Yeah, so if you want it to display on your profile, you can just you can turn it on. But if you don't want it to display on your profile, you can turn it off. So it depends on whatever you want to show. So but for the purpose of this video, let me just leave it turned off, but that's left to you whether you want to leave it turned on or off. So after you are done with that, you just click on this switch to professional account, which I does. As you can see, switching to a professional account makes your profile public. Anyone will be able to see your photos and videos on Instagram. You will no longer need to approve followers. Any pending request will be automatically approved. That's it. Like once your account is able to be monetized, you will not be able to put your account on private anymore. You know, people that like privacy, would like to put their account on private. Before somebody can even message you, they have to like, oh, knock at the door first. Then you have to check and see, should I accept this person, should I? But one of the disadvantages of this is that you will not be able to do that anymore once you switch your account to get monetized. So guys, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually do this. So you're going to click on OK. That's if you're satisfied with that, with being public and anybody can just access your Instagram and just pop up. Well, in any case, all we're after is the money. Yeah, so it's just loading. As you can see, what type of professional are you? Are you a creator? Are you a business person? So for creators, these are for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencer. Like, are you an influencer? Are you a YouTuber like me? Let's talk about, yeah, for someone like me, I'm actually a creator, so I actually fit into the category of a creator. But for business, it's best for retailers. Maybe you sell online, you do all those drop shipping, like those that sells clothes, do all of those things. You can choose business. But if not, yeah, so just choose any category that you actually fall under. But for me, I fall under creator, so I'm going to click on next. Yes, share logins using account centers. So just click on not now. Yeah, you can actually do that later, but I don't want to use that to waste our time. Set up a professional account. You now have a professional tool to connect with your Instagram. Let us get started. As you can see, get inspired, get meta verified. You can see, grow your audience. This is just it. It is all completed, and then let's now go to the next phase. So after you are done, you head back to your profile, like where it is. Click on these three dots again. So once you click on these three dots again, it's going to take you right back here. But this time around, we are actually going to be clicking on creator tools and control. Yes, so this is what we're actually going to click on. So once you click on creator tools and control, as you can see, ads, payments, branded content, partnership ads, link profile to shops, response suggestions. You can see As you can see, monetization status. Here you can see your monetization status. So let's just click on our monetization status. Let's see if we are eligible to be monetized, because not everybody is eligible to be monetized. So you can actually use this to check if you're eligible to be monetized. So let me now click on monetization status. Let's see. Voila, you are able to monetize. You're currently following all policies and guidelines related to your monetization tool. As you can see, branded content tick, green tick. As you can see, I have no violation, current policies violation. That's one of the things. If you want to do this, try to make sure you don't have any violation, because if you have any violations, you will not be able to be monetized on Instagram. As you can see, I am able to monetize my Instagram account, which is something very, very good and something I am grateful for. So guys, in case you've learned anything in this video, in case I have added value to you, or in case you actually find this channel exciting, you find it informative, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Whatever you think, leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you're having troubles trying to set this all up, despite seeing this, if you still have some other concerns regarding setting it all up, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be right there responding to your comments, as all I do is respond to your comment. I don't ignore comments, I actually respond to comments. So let me know in the comment section if you're having trouble with any of the settings that I've said so far, and let me know if there is anything you actually want me to help you with. And also guys, right here in this channel, I also talk about how you can make money online. So in case you're interested in making money, you can go ahead to check my other videos and see which one actually works best for you. And in case you've tried any of my how to make money video and anyone has worked for you, do well to leave your testimonies. Like, let people see your testimonies, because I know I actually bring anything I bring here, any video I bring here is actually legit, because I try to do my findings, I try to use them, I try to see, okay, if I do this, what am I going to get before I bring them to the platform. So in case you have used any of my videos to earn money for yourself, in case you have done anything successfully with any money, like, put it down in the comment section, share your testimony, let us know your testimony. And also guys, one last thing before I go, because I think I might be talking too much, I don't want the video to be too long. Yeah, I also talk about how we can grow on YouTube, how we can grow our channel on YouTube from scratch. We're growing content creators, we're growing YouTubers. I talk about how we can grow our channel and how we can earn money from YouTube, because all I do in this channel is how to earn money and earn money and earn money. We earn money from different platforms, not only from YouTube, we earn money from Facebook, earn money from Instagram. As you can see, I just showed you guys how you can monetize your Instagram account. So we earn money from Instagram, earn money for TikTok. So guys, thank you once again. I have to go now. I call it a day. Bye guys.